This is how I made the most out of my 16-hour layover in Singapore. I made it to Singapore airport at 4:10 a.m, which was perfect timing for me to get to my 7 a.m. class at the Marina Bay Sands. This is a yoga class that anyone can do. It offers you panoramic views of the Singapore skyline at sunrise, and it's on the 57th floor of the most famous and expensive hotel in Singapore, but it's actually cheaper to do the class than to just visit the sky deck. It costs up to $39 as an adult to go up here, but only $30 to do a yoga class at sunrise.
I am the most inflexible person ever. I can confirm after doing that yoga class.
And then from the Marina Bay Sands, which is also conveniently a train station, I caught public transport to the Maxwell Hawker Centre, which is the most famous food court in Singapore, arguably, where I got the famous Hainanese chicken rice, which was so good. And then I also went to this really popular laksa spot here, which had a massive line, and I can also confirm this was insane. And the prices here are so cheap. And from here, I walked 1 minute down the road to the Chinatown, where there's some really cool architecture, and another train station where I caught a train to Little India. If you actually want to go into the temple here, make sure to wear pants though, unlike me. Singapore is such a melting pot of different cultures, which is what makes it so cool and unique, but it also makes for the best food, which is why I'm constantly eating in this video. So once again, I got some more food. I got biryani this time. This was recommended to me by a friend, and it was really good. Singapore is a pretty warm country year round, around 27 degrees Celsius, and today was no different. It was super warm, and I'd been walking around all day, so I decided to catch the train down to the beach to cool off.
This is stunning.
Sentosa is actually an island, which is crazy because I could catch the train here from the airport. The train system in Singapore is so good, and it'll get you anywhere you need to go.
I've completely run out of storage on my phone. Can't be able to get my camera out, so we're going with the GoPro. This is pretty delicious. It is so cheap here. This is also a Hawker, but this is like the nicest looking one. It's a tiny bit more expensive, but still very cheap compared to every other store here. Shaved ice, mango pudding, real mango bits. I don't know what this red stuff is, but it's good. And grilled barbecue chicken and fish sets. There was more chicken in the picture, but that's okay. It still only cost me $9.80. It's like a satay sauce. I'm so beyond full. Like, I've eaten enough to feed many villages. But there's at least one more dessert that I need to try before I leave. It's called a Milo dinosaur. It looks like an iced Milo. That is an iced Milo right there. The gardens by the bay is like just, holy shit, it's just over there. But it's starting to like slowly rain, and I'm seeing lightning strikes. And look how open I have to fucking run, because I have to go where that building is there, and it's literally flat everywhere. And I'm in a massive field. You know what? Only in Singapore once. Back where I started.